The desire that I have to show up on here perfect just decreases every day, so let's get right into it. I am super eager to film this, but I am out of town. The guys are here and I'm the only girl right now, and they're playing ping pong in the garage. I don't know if you can hear this. So I'm determined to make a video for y'all today, and TikTok's hearing from me from this angle in the corner. I just hit 1 million views for the first time on my eyebrow tutorial, so I feel really good. I feel motivated. So regardless of what the environment is, I'm gonna sit down and create some content. So I have my makeup bag. As you can see, this video is most likely going to be a voiceover, but we'll try to keep it entertaining. And I don't even know if people still do New Year's Eve glam, but like as a kid, that was a thing. And I definitely love a good glittery moment. So I'm going to do what I can with what I have. This is the Icy Nude palette. I've used this on here before. How pretty is she? And then a beautiful dupe, the Ruby Kisses Gemstones palette. Create some eye looks with this.
We got this problem. I don't know how to solve it. Don't know how to solve it. So uptight, followed by silent treatment for days. Petty, how you wanna be petty? I could resist.
Yeah, people are prepared. I said this is gonna be a ghetto video. No, you're good. I'm just being authentically honest. It's too much trouble. Scared away, I'm seeing you. Maybe I'm not seeing you. Cause you're hard to get. Cause you're hard to get. Yeah, baby. You're just hard to get. You're just hard to get. Through. You're just hard to get. Greatest picture I've ever seen. Don't know nothing about me. Greatest picture I've ever felt. Don't need no ass shots to close up the deal. Cause I'm a real one, real one, real one, real one. Yeah, cause I'm a real one, real one, real one, real one. Yeah, unexpected but I'm worth it. I'm too determined. I'm highly favored. I guess you'll find a later. Original, eclectic type of soul. Truest chick you ever seen before. But I promise that I can't be the kind of girl who walks around sad and lonely. I just can't wait to shock the shit out of you and pull up with all you have time to. Yeah, just sit and relax. Make sure you take notes and underline all the facts. Yeah, you never met someone like me, genuine, authentic, working on my degree. I've never never been one to be with the facades. One day I see my name and lights, hear the applause. It's something too real, it's too raw, it's too raw. Greatest bitch you'll ever seen. Don't know nothing but me. Greatest bitch you'll ever feel. Don't need no ass shots to close up the deal. Cause I'm a real one, real one, real one, real one. Hey, hey. Cause I'm a real one, real one, real one, real one. Hey, hey. Let me tell you something, all these niggas wanna do is front and take a ride in your backseat, take control of your vibe like they pack me. Never seen what surpassed me, one thing I would do is gladly be me, that bitch, no witch, no glitch, that itch when you get with me. Never find another girl like me, pretty face, pretty brain, so flee. Your nigga might wanna cop that plea, cause he ain't never had a hit like me, tryna hit on me, tryna hit this thing, but it never really what it seemed. It's all talk, yeah, it's make believe, no fairy tale, I'm a real life queen. Greatest bitch you'll ever see. Nothing about me, nothing about me. Greatest bitch you'll ever feel. Don't need no ass shots to close up the deal. Cause I'm a real one, real one, real one, real one.
You got the cosmic brownies, you got the oatmeal cookies, you got the Christmas trees, zebra cake.
The zebra cakes are my favorite.
Zebra cakes.
See, y'all are the same thing. Y'all like that cream.
Yeah, y'all are the
Zebra cakes, and I like Nutter Butters.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I can't eat peanuts.
This is the look, y'all. Thank you so much for watching, for keeping up with this crazy videos all over the place. But I love y'all. Happy New Year and enjoy. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.